Welcome back to Life Designer. I'm Gray, and here we have Lit, Nev, EO, and Drix and Zo. So guys, today we saw a movie which is called Purge. I don't know if you guys have watched it, but it is super crazy movie. So let's ask what they have understood from the movie. So what is the concept?
Okay, so Purge is basically about a day in the entire year. Yeah, half 12 hours. Okay, where you are allowed, you're free to kill or do anything.
Anything. What will you do?
Everything is legal. I won't kill for sure. I won't kill.
You sure?
I will kill someone.
You
I
sure?
Why? Why won't you kill?
Bro, you have some
Killing
people in
man.
your life whom you are, doesn't like them. You go make a list of them and then kill them on that day. And
Who is she? Arya Stark. Very interesting day.
Guys, we have somebody who's supporting the Purge. Okay.
Guys, I think during Purge, Nev is going to go super psycho.
Yeah,
If you would have watched our She's Psycho.
She's like,
Super fun. Okay, so Nev, what will you do in Purge?
yeah, like
what she's
Purge is, very good opportunity, for all of us, to take revenge or take, make justice.
Who are you gonna revenge? Who are you gonna
I would
revenge?
say it more as a justice, for what you have already
I have a
gone
doubt.
through. So
Who do
guys,
you have
if-
this much revenge? Don't have any revenge.
have you done something?
No, in our country, a lot of things are happening which are not justified. So guys, if we really get this opportunity,
Guys, she will kill for the justice.
obviously,
Justice.
it is a golden
Will be like,
opportunity.
I should continue this more than 12 hours. We should continue this.
She's the psycho, guys. She's the
You have
psycho.
only 12 hours. You have no before that, no after that.
Bro, if Nev is the president at that time, she'll be like, okay, I'm declaring it's the whole day, 2 days, 3 days.
Like, even after watching Purge, a lot of people are demanding for this thing for their country. A lot of people are waiting.
Yeah, guys, it actually happened around the world, in Brazil, in a lot of places. This is happening, and when government is not taking responsibility, this will happen.
Yeah,
That is happening also.
Yeah, there is, even back in history, there are situations
Oh
where.
my God, history.
Oh,
History.
I will sleep now if I see history.
okay.
Shit, history reminds me, of
what?
that
School days?
science textbooks and all. But yeah.
Guys, we're talking about Purge anarchy. Come on. Okay, so I'll ask you guys a question. Okay, I want to know, what will you prepare for Purge? So Purge generally happens. Okay, it's 1 year and we have to prepare one day. Okay, so what will you do just before the Purge? Come on.
Just before, like 1 week before I leave the country, I take this, I leave the country.
What about you?
I will have a proper
Release the
plan,
purge.
I will have a proper
She'll
plan
purge.
of killing, all the top criminals that would change the world. That would
Changing the world. Okay, guys, I don't know.
12 hours pakka plan. 12 hours mein how long I can travel, how much time I need to, take for people to kill. I'll have a
you're
pakka
so-
plan.
No, I am confused right now to support or to not support this statement.
Is it good or
we
bad,
gonna
guys? Is
make
it good or killing is bad?
One
obviously.
night revolution will happen in that day,
my God.
all those people there, by killing them, lot of
we all should
huge
be safe, okay?
changes.
Yeah, we all have to.
We live together.
What will you do?
I think I'm just gonna pretend to be dead, put some fake blood over me, just pretend to be dead so that nobody's gonna come with me.
What will you do? As my house, I'm planning to have a basement. We all can hide and cook whatever we have.
Okay,
You know,
I'm
we
gonna
can just
join
chill.
her.
Okay, we can chill that
What will you do?
night.
I think we need to be more technical in the sense like bulletproof door, bulletproof house. I will make it more.
Okay, one question. What if your bunker costs 1 million?
I would follow Zoe's plan.
My plan, guys, contingency plan is on.
Fake it like you were already dead. Lie on the street, take a nap for the whole night.
What about lit plan, going out? So where are you planning to go? If not America, where?
on a lockdown.
Why? Why? That would happen.
What will happen if it's a
Pandemic will
lockdown?
be
That's
there.
a good thing.
Then I join you guys.
Maybe
If I have no other
government
option, I'll join you
will stop
guys.
going out.
I think,
Okay, guys. So now,
What will you do?
As you're purging, what will I do?
What will you do?
That's a good question.
Great, what will you do? What are you going to do?
What will Grey
What
do?
will I do? Okay.
You can join us.
Shit, I don't have a plan, guys. I was asking question. Okay, next question.
Yeah.
You can
Okay,
join us.
Nev, as you are purging, so what is your plan on purge? What all weapons will you use?
Have any idea?
I would explore a lot on weapons. Like I would get them from outside the country, and
Where
lot
will you
of
get the
stuff.
money to buy weapons? Come on.
Money. I will somehow get the money because once the night is over, you know, I'll get a lot of money.
So you
So
will.
the whole night, so I'm gonna
She's gonna loan.
Nev has a business
I'm gonna have a proper investment for the
So guys, I think she's gonna loan from a bank and then rob the bank again.
That's a good idea.
If she performs 1 year's purge perfectly, the last year's money will obviously be there. She can invest on the next year's, right?
Yeah, not only money, like you know, I would make a proper list
He has
of
some business.
all
Other
that
business is
people.
happening. What is this?
Guys, serious.
I'm not very sure if I shouldn't have shared the plan, guys. I think I should have just left. I'm not sure. These guys are supporting Purge. Why?
Guys, Zoe is pakka getting killed. Her thing is out.
You know what? You should join.
I don't do it.
You should not say this kind of
I
plans.
think we should have a look at the movie.
Oh yeah, guys. So we saw this movie and found a lot of loopers. So let's go and figure it out. So guys, we'll show you some of the most things that we found really funny about this. So everyone is preparing for the purge, if you see. So this is our heroine. Everyone is getting ready. The thing is, they've been preparing this for. It's been 6 years they started purge, and
Oh
still.
my god, where am I?
These guys are the most underprepared lot ever.
If I get this time, I will go to somewhere and I will escape from this.
I will kill everyone. I will.
Oh my God, never so
we
psycho.
have a lot of preparations, and these people, they know how it will happen, and they are like, this always happens.
Yeah. So if we have, we'll take a month off, maybe like a week off.
I won't work
before day.
Still people are
Just
working.
like 2 hours more for the Purge, and people are like
Yeah.
still walking down the, and
They're
flirting around
working in
it.
coffee shop. Oh my God. So guys, so here we have our heroine talking to one of the ladies, and I don't know if these guys are friends or what is that? What is that dog?
What is that expression?
Okay.
It's really fun for me.
Guys, I don't think they are really good friends, but okay.
Right now we are having an
And our
Hero.
okay, sorry.
This is our hero, guys.
So our hero is getting ready and he is setting the guns and okay.
with all the shields.
He's practicing. See the practice.
He's shooting at top. So if I am the one
Okay.
who would attack him, I would go down because he's only practicing on top. Not top.
Only eye level.
I will attack him from bottom.
If the person is down, then how he will shoot?
Yeah, see, look at him. He's
Practicing like this.
okay.
Joke. I guess he's already done practicing.
Okay.
Also, yeah, I think
So guys, okay, there is this one more thing. Okay, so this is really funny because this movie started in 2014 and they did a very crazy prediction. Okay, so they did this crazy prediction.
Okay,
Yeah.
pause the TV.
Yeah. So they did this crazy prediction that they told this thing will happen in 2023.
That's 1.5 years later.
now,
Okay.
check this out.
Yeah, and if you see there, it is showing Donald Talbot.
Guys, yeah, if you guys can see, which is Donald Trump.
Exactly.
This sounds similar. Like they can be. It can
Yeah,
be.
it can be Donald Trump. So
Yeah, they
will their
predicted.
predictions be right in
No.
2023?
It shouldn't be.
And Donald Trump
I
came
hope
to,
not.
Donald Trump came to power in 2017 and the movie is taken in 2014.
2023. So
Predictions.
It's all
in-
predictions.
can be right, guys. So
predictions.
if
And
Purge
like
is
this.
coming, then we are
I
like
have a doubt.
doomed.
Is Purge coming true in 2023?
No.
Is this gonna happen?
This guy sounds a little like Donald
Oh my
Trump.
god. It's 2021 now. It's 23 is near, guys. Near.
Okay, so we'll show you a few more things that we found. It's so comedy. Okay.
But if this movie have started, I mean, the Purge have started 6 years back, then the Purge would have started
Already going on.
Earlier, right?
80.
Yeah.
So might
Maybe
be-
they're just saying it's never too late to start a Purge. So.
Yeah, exactly. Might be it starts in 2023 and we all get the chance, to take revenge.
violent. You are too violent.
Nev is gearing up for the
She have
Purge.
to control a lot.
Full on gearing up
Support
for
me
the
on
Purge.
this. We're gonna do, a lot of things.
She became the Purge influencer.
Guys, let's all just play
Don't
dead.
just get
Let's all
influenced
play
by the
dead.
movie.
Let's all play dead. That's it.
Don't get influenced by the movie, guys.
There are a lot of things, guys, in this movie to understand, and let's see.
We should introduce
there are
these
a lot of
guys.
other characters in the movie, which is
Okay.
actually I
These
felt
are
it
my
really funny. Some
favorite
of the
characters,
scenes.
guys. I mean, just joking, but
Okay, guys. So the most funny thing is there is this couple. Okay, so they don't know if it's purge or not, but it's been 6 years.
They don't know.
They don't know.
6 years.
They know it, guys. These guys are the most underprepared people because they're fighting amongst themselves when people can just kill them. And they're stupid. They're extremely stupid.
Not like that. They just, I think what they felt is they just thought, okay, I need some vegetables for my salad. I want to go to the supermarket and buy it immediately. So they just left. So that is what happened, and now they are trapped.
I think they are planning
They
to
won't get
attack.
putted that day.
They
That's
are
why
planning
they
to
planned.
attack with vegetables. Like they're gonna throw carrots, potatoes, and then they're gonna protect themselves from the enemies.
Vegetables are the weapons, guys.
Yeah.
Let's fight it.
Weapons.
That's
So
actually
Something like fruit ninja.
fruit ninja it is, and they got trapped by these people. Okay.
No.
Okay, so guys, so the countdown is starting. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
One, yo, first is started.
Guys,
There is a big siren also. I don't know how everyone is hearing the same siren.
bro, it's a big siren.
From everyone
whole
city knows like these two people what?
And look at these two people aimlessly running around.
Middle of the street. Middle of the street.
I think they don't know where to hide. They are
Not even trying to hide.
They are helpless, guys. Understand? If you guys wanna know where not to be while purging, it's there.
It's in the
Not
middle
in
of
the middle of the street at all.
And the purge has already started, and they're still figuring out where to hide. You know how foolish they are. I
Bro,
don't understand.
shit.
Really, like
Okay,
what?
I understand your car is broken, but if you wanna hide, just go beside the streets, not in the middle of the street.
And one more comedy thing is, wait, where is the remote?
It's behind.
Remote is
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Okay.
What's the next funniest thing?
Siren is going on, guys.
Siren
Let's
only
go.
everywhere
officially
siren.
begun.
Okay,
The
not
purge
only
is
one
officially
place.
begun.
Everywhere they are
Fast
showing
forwarding the
siren.
movie. We
Yeah,
can
guys, I'm fast forwarding.
Yeah.
So
We lost the
uh,
track.
one more thing. The one more thing that you should not do in Purge is to shout in the streets.
Yes.
Yeah, people
someone
easily
do
get
that?
hear
One
Wait, wait.
main hint. You
Yeah.
don't shout.
Shout.
Don't scream. Use
Yeah.
your brain. Don't scream.
You know you will be fucked up if you scream in the middle of the road when people are around to kill you.
And these people are hiding, and they started to scream all of a sudden. Oh my god, our network.
It's loading, guys. It's loading.
Sorry,
The
guys.
purge is slowly.
Okay, guys.
So these two people started talking. Okay. Now he's leaving them, and they are not letting him go. Okay, they started shouting. Okay, no, stop. Oh my god, this is the wrong
We
place.
forwarded more. This is the silent part.
Okay, sorry.
They shouted like anything.
Yeah, here.
We'll show the intro of the purge.
Can we shout like this?
No, guys. Okay, again network issue. Network, guys. 12, 13. It's a countdown for us also.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So meanwhile, just giving them a gist of the story. So there are 5 main characteristics. Okay, in this. So one is the villain that we saw. I mean, the hero that we saw earlier.
We are also 5 people. Six. Yeah.
Six. And one person is purging. So yeah, we have one person who is planning on purging, and there is a mother and daughter, and the couple, the
lovely
famous couple that we
favorite
saw,
couples.
who wanted to prepare food before purge. So yeah, all of them are stranded, and then finally they all end up with the guy who we saw in the initial start.
Yes.
And now is when the footage show. Oh, it's
Yeah, now is when they're hiding, and they will shout at each other, guys.
not each other. The guy who saves
The
them.
guy who saved him.
Oh my god.
This is what happens.
Where are you going?
Shouting. Actually, you should have seen, purge people, coming in groups and attacking people. That
They have some GPS system also.
Is it?
I think they are finding people like this in GPS or something.
Now they'll shout.
Whoa! Shout more loud.
Yeah, everyone will come now. Wait for that. Bro, these people are gonna die now.
He's like,
Yeah.
okay, why did
I have to run away.
Now, yeah.
He was like, okay, I'm running away from these people. They have no idea they won't survive this
He's
night.
much better than other people.
This shouting is louder than the siren, guys. Like,
And now what's going
And I'm surprised that the purgers have still not come despite all the shouting. These guys are like screaming at each other at the top of their lungs, and
Then after that only.
And now what happens is there's
That's
an
always like that.
agreement that's happening here, guys. between this mom and the hero. She says that she gives the car to the hero. He wants the car to, to go in the
Who will give the car?
guy came
and it's a fake agreement that's going on.
and he believed it. And he believed
that's
it. He's
the most-
also a little bit foolish.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of heroism, man. Like,
There are a lot
but
of
it's okay. I like it.
heroes will be there, right?
I like heroism.
Hero have to
but-
be there in the movie.
Exactly,
And
here
also-
the all purges like villains are well dressed, well makeup and come. In reality, that don't
Guys,
happen,
this
okay?
is the epic scene, okay? I'll show you.
look like
So they've been captured and bring to this one place. Our net is loading.
Wow, it's 99%.
Okay. So they have been brought to one place and kept to, display. Now everyone just don't know what they are up to. And
We'll be shot.
okay,
Come
on.
Something.
Come on, the big reveal.
Start
Waiting for what's gonna happen.
What-
Okay, this
what
girl
is
almost
happening?
going to die.
Guys.
My God.
That's a party.
These guys are basically being auctioned off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just enjoying
Guys,
the
it's an auction.
These guys are basically being auctioned to rich people. So that is an interesting thing that these guys bring about, about how
Nice dress
the
though.
poor people can actually be
The
taken
most richest way
advantage
to
of.
die.
Guys, so get well dressed if you're even being captured.
I like that.
You've been taken to a party.
Present yourself well before you
See
die.
that old lady, how she is dressed.
She is our grandma.
She looks like this, but actually what she's saying is not.
Bro, her dress, her dress looks like a swapped dress. The one that Grey was wearing.
What?
And Zoe was wearing.
Yeah.
Shit.
Correct, guys.
Yeah, man.
A swapped dress.
She was the third swap.
Okay, guys, so they're being auctioned out
I think
and
some game is going to happen like treasure hunt or something.
treasure hunt.
Kind of.
Human hunt.
Human
Guys,
is a treasure.
absolutely
That
not right.
grandma beautifully explains about her beautiful weapon that she loves to kill. That's so smooth.
And this grandma has been swapped. One young
But
woman
these
have been
people's
swapped.
inside mind is like, we are. What is happening?
Shit.
And
Guys,
these
this
people
is
are
absolutely
enjoying.
crazy violence, okay? So if you guys want to see it, this is an amazing movie.
Action, crime.
Yeah.
Why do people like
Yeah,
violence?
and
like this?
out of all this, in the end of this movie, there is something really stupid, okay? So, because the hero has been shot and they want to save their lives,
I didn't expect that.
and this is not really, it will happen. So, there is no traffic in the net is loading.
Okay. Just consider this as our consistency thing. Net will load whenever we try
99
to show.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is happening. There is no traffic immediately after the purge, and less cars. I think most of the people got killed.
Getting down.
I think most of them got killed.
Like, I don't
And it's a normal day.
why they took this.
Here we are in the purge. We are in the side of this. Okay, guys, like that.
Oh my God.
It's over.
And so, guys,
Next morning.
there is So in this movie, there is a lot of things they can show, but they didn't show because there is a lot of chaos and the population.
Violence.
Yeah.
They showed
Violence.
a lot of violence.
But it's an amazing show, guys. It's an amazing, very good cinematography. Really fun to watch with your
Yeah,
friends.
very nice.
It's really fun to watch it.
Fun to laugh.
Skill elements in this
It's
also.
a very good engaging movie.
Yeah.
That you can enjoy.
It's full of tension, guys. With full of tension.
So, guys,
you're watching.
this much violence, so we'll go out. There is not much lighting. Sorry.
I like outdoors.
I'm
Outdoors are
completely
amazing.
purge mood right now.
Completely, Nev is completely on purge mood, guys. So let's ask her. Huh? Guys, here we have Loki. Loki is not having proper food. Loki, have food. No, he's not having food.
What is this dot?
It's a lot of.
Where are you guys? Wait, come on. Let's do. Yeah. So guys, okay. And now I'm going to ask you all. Okay. So I'm going to ask you all one question. Okay. One need to say.
Yes.
Okay. So first
difficult
question is to
question,
Nev.
please.
Okay.
Immediately after purge, what will you do?
Immediately after purge. Immediately after purge,
come on,
I will, escape from the place that I'm in, and I'll enjoy my life with,
Why would you escape?
because I've already killed. Okay, why? Okay, that's why would I escape? Okay, I will be normal. I'll go back to my home. I'll be like normal.
You know what will she do? She'll wait for more 364 days for the next
I'll say what she'll do.
No.
Take a shower because she's got blood of people.
Yeah.
Exactly. I will
Man,
do
there's a lot of violence going on. Guys, I'm telling you, killing is wrong.
Killing is not correct, guys. Killing is not, guys. I'm against that.
This is just again. We're just kidding.
And
You guys,
while
of course.
seeing the movie, I got a lot of strategies and
Oh Lord. Guys, this is a real thing, okay? In social media, people are going. What is Loki doing? Loki. Okay, so guys, in social media, people actually talking about this thing. This is not comedy. You can just search.
People might get influenced.
Yeah, people are. They want it.
people are there, if you really keep a genuine vote about do you want it or not, majority of people would ask for it.
Like voting.
Yeah, because government, if government is going in backwards, people will obviously go.
Yeah.
Maybe government is doing for getting less population, like population.
By killing people.
No, in the movie they are.
The main villain of the movie is basically the government. So these guys start getting out on the streets and killing people because the annual purge count is less.
Come on, guys.
Yeah.
It's scary. Okay, guys, you must watch. We are not giving any spoilers. Okay.
Definitely not. I just saw the climax, but
I
definitely
think you
not.
guys have to watch the movie and enjoy
Yeah.
it. We are not gonna
Enjoy
spoil
it. This is a very different concept, guys, and also funny to watch because you will find out a lot of things mistake. We didn't.
Watch it like that. Try to answer these questions. What would you do if something like this happens?
Would you
what
vote
would you do
for-
after purging?
Yeah.
And would you
You support
escape all these things? You can just
Yeah.
comment in the
Just comment below and let us know.
Yeah, and
the
would you
purge.
support me for purge thing? Please
What?
let us know about it.
No,
Okay,
no,
guys,
no, no purge, no purge, no purge, no purge,
You
no
know what?
purge.
This is for justice and equality, guys. Okay, let's
Justice
see.
by killing?
Justice,
No.
it's not there. Okay.
What is she talking about? Come on, get out, get out. This is.
Guys, that's been influenced after the
Yeah, no. You are no more.
Please don't get influenced from this kind of movies. It is too much of violence, and I'm not at all
This is
interested in
exact
this.
example how you can escape. Gather more people on the positive side and fight against
Play that,
Fight
play that.
Guys,
Ultimate
it's not
goal.
about violence or inviolence, it's about justice. So, are you on justice part or
I'm
not?
going
We're gonna do a
speechless.
lot of miracles on that day.
Guys, so.
You guys can comment it below, like whatever is your opinion. Is it
Let
good
us
or
know in
bad?
the
Guys,
comment
just
box
watch the
below.
movie. Just watch
Yeah,
the movie. Just
this
have a
is-
fun time. Say 2.5 hours.
Guys, this is a
Do not
different
kill.
concept and you can think about it, okay? So
that's it.
don't support purge, it's really wrong.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Not a
guys.
good thing at all.
Yeah.
Don't
Guys,
support.
let us know about how you felt about our comments and
Are they
about
relatable? Are they relatable?
Obviously not relatable. Who will support purge?
and did you really understand? Like, did you watch the movie already, or are you watching now?
Yeah.
Or
If you haven't watched, go watch and then see this, okay? Or you won't understand at all. You won't.
We should have said this before starting everything.
Oh, yeah.
We just gave this major spoilers also.
But fine, they can watch it now also. We didn't disclose
Yeah.
many things.
It's a
There are a
very
lot of
big-
interesting
there's a lot
elements in
to
the
watch.
movie.
It's just
Yeah, guys.
violence to watch.
Violence.
Let us know how is the movie after watching our video, and don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon, guys. See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.